back to a new video. So today I'm going to be filling 3 8-ounce jars. This customer ordered 3 of our glosses from the original 6 collection. She ordered Simplicity, which is a clear gloss, Obsessed, which is the gloss I have on my lips right now, and Gold Digger, Goal Digger, and that's a gold gloss. Let me make sure I show you guys everything. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you leave a comment. Leave a star emoji in the comments. Engagement does help out a lot. I greatly appreciate it. And if you're interested in our glosses, make sure you click the link in the description box. NayasBeautyBar.com. 8-ounce jars are available. Wholesale is available. Our black wine tubes are out of stock. White top wine tubes are low in stock. The squeeze tube is fully stocked, and retail glosses are available. Lip scrubs are always available. So make sure you shop, support the brand. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started because I do want to drop this order off today. The post office does close at 5, but I want to leave out the house earlier than that. It's 2:53, so it shouldn't take me long at all. This is my favorite product to fulfill because it's so easy. It's so quick and easy. It's not much to it. These jars have been washed, so they are clean, so I don't have to do anything with the jars. Let's go ahead and get started. The way I was finna be so annoyed if I did not find this. My regular size one is literally gone. Like, there's no more of it. I was about to be so mad. But I found this. I gotta remember to order some more strawberry flavoring oil. I was gonna be so mad, bro, because I want to get this order done and out of here today. All right, so now I'm about to go ahead and wash this out real quick and get the gloss base. I like to put the oils in first and then put the pigment on top. And these are all from the original 6 collection, available for retail, wholesale fields, and in our jars. And the glitter glosses are available in samples. I've been thinking for a long time about starting an Etsy account and selling my jars up there. I actually think I'm going to do it because I think they'll do really good up there. So yeah, all I have to do is add my labels and then I'll be good to go. I'm about to get a video real quick, take a couple pictures, and then yeah, we'll be done with this order. It is 4:05, so I am still kind of good on time, but I need to hurry up because I still have to print out the shipping label and stuff, which won't take long, but if I keep talking, I'll run out of time. All right, here is the order. Nice and safe, nothing should happen to it. I'm about to go ahead and print out the shipping label and close it up and take it to the post office. Hope that you all enjoyed this video. Once again, if you're interested in any of our products, click the link in the description box, Sha'NayaOshea.com, and shop. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.